Hello everyone! Can you say hi, Hunter? You found a sucker? You want a sucker? Okay. Yeah. Alright, so hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy and this is Hunter. And we're going to be doing an unboxing today of the Adore box, but it is their it's their mystery bag, which was $3 and then $4 shipping, so $7 total I paid for this. If you guys don't know what Adore is, they have just they have a regular box, subscription box that's like $15. I think it's like $15 a month, and you can get like 4 to 10 like lifestyle things like clothing, makeup, beauty, skincare, and all that stuff. So when I saw they emailed me and they had a $3 box, not really $3 bag, I was so interested and I hopped on that right away. So yeah, if you guys are interested to see what's in here, obviously I have no idea. Hunter definitely wants to be in camera with me, so I hope you guys don't mind that. Tons of my recent videos have him in it, and I don't know, I love filming with him. He's been a very sweet boy lately. Yeah. And yeah, let's hop on in and open this. Okay, I'm just gonna open the box. Yeah, you showing them some jewelry? I just got back from, so yeah, they just put everything inside of here, so there's not technically a bag, but there is a pamphlet. So I'm gonna pull the pamphlet out, and it says thank you on it. And that's pretty much it. Beauty and lifestyle items mystery bag. So I'm just going to grab random stuff from here. I'm going to set it over here so Hunter doesn't grab for it right now. First thing that I am seeing, what I just said is I did just get back from vacation. I went to Oregon to see my best friend Brittany, and it was so awesome. I'm going to have tons of videos, well, a few videos up from when I was out there. Okay, first thing that I see is the Milani Brow and Eye Highlighter. And I have owned this before, and I wasn't like the biggest fan of it. It works pretty well, but it's just not something that I see myself like gravitating towards. But yeah, it's a nice product to like try out. So I might stick this in a giveaway. I might sell it, not quite sure. But I always make my money back off these things, so yeah. Alright, next is the Vichy Laboratories serum, the antioxidants serum. I'm going to make it to where you guys can actually kind of see this. Let's see what this is. Cute little bottle. And this is Radiance Boosting Serum. Doesn't really say much about it. I wish it came with like a little thing in here, but that's not bad. I mean, I have a lot of skincare stuff, but I like keeping this stuff in my closet for like when I run out of something, so I'm gonna for sure stick that in there. Next up, I have a face mask that is so cute. It's a little panda, and this is by the Mask Bar. And this is a calming sheet mask. Don't mind my fingernails, guys. They're terrible. And I also have a swatch on my hand on this side, so, but yeah. These are cute. I've used these before, and I really enjoy them. And to me, I can never have enough sheet mask. Alright, next is this little pack right here. Oh, sweet! Okay, I still wish I just had this on my, my vacation. You're like really pretty. The OG Hotel Makeup Removing Wipes. This is so cool. It comes with like a little pack. I am so excited about these because, and that seems like a pretty good size makeup wipe. But I need to carry a few of these in my bag because there's times where I wear lipstick and then I realize that I'm like, I don't really feel like dealing with this. So having a few little makeup wipes individually packed like this are perfect to have in my purse. So super excited about that. Then I got a brush, and this is from Michael Marone powder blush brush, and I'm trying to think if this would be a good, I don't know. I know I just wiped it on my face, but I think I will stick this one in a giveaway because I don't see myself using this brush. Then I have a J-Cat Roll Up Auto Eyeliner. And this is what it looks like. It's a purple liner. Very pretty. Then I have a CoverGirl Melting Pout Metallics Gel Liquid Lipstick. Ooh. This is what it looks like. It's a very pretty color. Yeah. I've never tried a CoverGirl lipstick like that, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. Then I got a City Color City Chick in Pucker Up. It's a really pretty pink. Not something that I see myself really gearing towards. So this is something like this that I love to just throw into a... You trying to open it? That's going to get everywhere. That I like to throw into a giveaway. That way, if you guys want to try out like a new lip color. And always remember that you can take the bottom off of your lipsticks if it shows the color like this, and it's like a little lip gloss. Or, yeah, you know what I mean. All right. And then I have the Maybelline Color Jolt Intense Lip Paint, Ready or Not. And this is what it looks like. It's a red lipstick. I'm curious about this one. This has like the little doe foot applicator up here. So for sure keeping this one. That one looks really pretty. There's a lot of lip stuff in here. Okay, I got two more things. Yay! I needed some more. Wow, these are really intense. These are those tweezers. These are like interesting, sharp-looking tweezers. If these are tweezers. And then I got the Maybelline Color Tattoo Pure Pigment. And it is in a very gorgeous blue, which I am very excited about because I don't really think I own a bright blue. I did get rid of my Blue Blood palette just because I wasn't using it. So excited to have this. So yeah, that was actually for pretty much $7. Yeah, I feel like I got I feel like I really got a handful of good products. So yeah, not too bad. What do you guys think? I don't know if any of you guys have actually have you tried the Adore box before? I think I've gotten it before, but I'm not sure if I did a video on it or not. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think I got some pretty cool things. Can you say bye? We're going to say bye-bye. We're going to go have a snack and have some milk and go take a nap. Okay? We'll see you guys later. Say bye-bye.